Well, we had shark.
I'm a OG boy. Know that the ride or die. I keep rolling on the T. Know that the ride or die.
Oh, yeah. Nope. Sit. Good girl. All right. Hello. Welcome back to another episode of Math Outdoors. Just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from all of us. So in this episode, Dad and I took a trip just to try to catch some grouper here. The season ends in just over a week, so we just wanted to take any opportunity we can to get some delicious food in the freezer. We are super close to 100 subscribers. So just real quick, check and make sure you are subscribed. It is free, and it'd just be really cool and just a nice milestone to get to 100. I appreciate you guys' support throughout the year. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the GoPro. Let's see what we got. Just what I suspected. A grunt. A grunt. Oh, big fish. This is definitely a grouper.
Yeah, it's funny because I just got fucking broke off.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a decent fish. Oh yeah. Oh, he ain't ready yet. That was a good strategy. All right, this is a 22 incher. They need to be 24 to keep. Right species, just quite not big enough. See, buddy. This isn't super big. Maybe not. Grouper. Little guy. It's a little guy. All right, so I was getting ready to get my other rod out, and on the letdown, and I just opened the bail for my just like dead stick rod, and all of a sudden my line just started screaming out, and I was like, what the heck? Closed the bail, and by the time I was able to like hook into the fish, it broke the line. The same thing basically happened, but I just got this little guy. It's probably a little, I don't know, 16-inch gag, but it's a lot of fun to catch them, and it's nice to be back in Florida, that's for sure. Yeah. Oh shit. There we go. I was wondering. Oh no. That sucks. Oh, I just got a mess. Number 3 on the day, just a little guy. I'll let him go back. Oop. Probably not. This one doesn't feel very big. Yeah, it's just a little guy. Jesus. You just sent that way out there. I want to put on one of them huge ones.
Huge what?
One of them huge live pieces of live bait. Try to see if I can get something big. This one looks really weird. Yeah, it's like really white. fish? Another short. Not a bad one though. No.
Are you just dropping that one straight down?
Yep. Trying to at least. Just because like when you cast it out. Ooh. Well, we have a shark. This is a big shark. Oh my gosh, dude. This. I hope not.
Is it a big shark or is it a fish in a
Holy crap. I'm trying to get this thing to slow down. Dude. Would you be upset for us to chase this? Huh? Would you be okay if we could chase this? We don't have to if you don't want to. Oh my gosh, dude, yeah, this might spool me. Oh my gosh. It's a huge fish. Oh.
Dude, I just got fucking broke off here, like.
It's starting to get tired out now, which is good. It's starting to get tired out now. Oh my gosh, this is a huge, huge fish. Oh, yeah, dang. Feel that. Oh, dude, that was dang it. Dad, feel my drag. That's how tight my drag was, and it was doing that to me. I should have loosened it up there when I saw it, when I felt it slow down. Dang it. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. There you go. Looks like a better one. Oh yeah, that's a keeper for sure. Whoa. This is a good fish, Dad. You're good. Nice. Keeper number 2, I think. That might be short. And then short. That's a beautiful fish. Let him go. Oh. Good job.
Think he'll keep?
Oh, sure. I'm guessing he's 25.
No. Fuck, I think it just let it go. I forgot to close my bail.
Oh no. Good thing it didn't like bird nest you bad.
Hey, will you close that bail on that one?
Yeah.
Oh god.
What?
I see what it is.
Whoa. Oh, Dad, it's not. It's let it eat. Let it eat.
Shark, right?
Let it eat. No, it's a tiger. Oh, it ate. It ate. It ate. It's on. Dad, it's on. Oh my god, that's so dope. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, that's so cool. Oh. Is it just right here?
You okay?
Yeah, oh no, I didn't get touched.
Yeah, this is a grouper. this is a grouper, it's gonna be the biggest one of the day. If I can get it down.
Yep, grouper.
Big.
Yeah. I'm just hoping it doesn't hit my line.
Whoa, is that a red?
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, there we go.
That should be.
Oh, yeah. $26, $77 maybe.
That's a
Perfect hook set right there. Nice.
That's what you're guessing is 26, 27?
Yeah.
Move those pliers away. $25.
25.
Look at his teeth.
Yeah, those things are. Oh. Oh, big fish.
Huh?
Big fish.
Big fish?
Yep. What the heck? This thing is just, it's not fighting, but it's just. Ooh, Trey. Oh my God. There's a tiger shark. Hey, buddy. Oh, here we go for a ride, boys. Oh, that's why I'm losing them. It gets tucked under their, when they swim away, they're tucking it under their fin. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Yeah. Ooh, here we go. I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so. This I think's a grouper. I don't like that feeling. I don't. Oh, it's just like, it feels like the line's dragging on something. Oh yeah, grouper. Oh no! No!
No, no,
No! No!
no, no, no.
Yeah! Oh, that's so cool!
No, no,
No!
no,
No!
no, 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 no. You get that on camera?
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Oh, and this is a keeper. Oh yeah. And she kept.
Hey, do me a favor.
Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Woo! That was so cool.
Missing someone